I want you all to look around the room for a second. Just pause, just breathe, just see. Look at the faces beside you now, at who we've all grown to be. The ones who sat through highs and lows, through every test and doubt. The ones who somehow made the hardest days become the days we laughed about. The people who turned ordinary moments into memories we'll keep, who became such familiar parts of life we never thought we'd leave. Because this right here, this moment, is something we can't replay, the last time all our lives will meet in quite this exact same way. After this, we'll drift towards lives we cannot fully see, different places, different dreams, different people will be. And this room will fade to memory, to stories we explain, to people who were never here and won't quite feel the same. But for now, we are still here, still together, side by side, still standing in these fleeting days before we all divide. So hold on to this feeling, don't let it pass too fast, because one day, these ordinary moments will be the ones that last. We'll miss the noise, the little things, the conversations in between, the people we saw every day without knowing what they'd really mean. And maybe years from now, we'll meet somewhere out there by surprise and smile and ask, "How have you been?" while time sits softly in our eyes. We'll speak about the lives we've built, the places that we've gone, but part of us will still remain in everything that lived beyond. The classroom, the inside jokes, the stress, the tears, the fun, the strange little world we built together without knowing what we'd done. Because no one else will ever know the people we were here, or understand the kind of bond that grew across the years. And maybe this is what makes this so beautiful in the end, that for one brief and ordinary moment, all of our lives aligned as friends. And one day, when we look back, I doubt we'll think of grades, but of the feeling of being here through all these changing days. The feeling of growing up together, of becoming who we are, of standing in this room today before life takes us far. So just look around one final time, let this moment settle in, because we'll never quite be gathered here, all together like this again.
Congratulations, class of 2026.